So hello guys, welcome back to um the Crazy Gospel Passing Chord series. This is the episode 2 of this, and we're going to be treating different keys. The last one we did was on the key of C, right? Where we're doing So now we're going to be dealing with a passing chord that should take you to your 5. Now, what is your 5? On the key of E flat now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. What is your 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is your yes. So now a passing chord that should take you to your 5 now. As it we will try it on so many songs, and it works in so many songs. So this is what it sounds like. So let me do it again. So you have very simple. So now let me break this down. So first thing is 2. So you can play 2 or you can play this. So let me deal with this because you might have a bass player. So on your left hand you have F, A flat, B flat, and C sharp, right? On your right hand you read this melody. So reason why I'm playing this chord now is because I don't want it to sound boring. You understand? I don't want it to just sound so you can feel the difference. Next chord, it's F sharp diminished 7th. Then you have which is, so you have bass player is on 2, the next one is on so you have this on your left hand you have A and C. On your right hand you have F sharp, A, C, and E flat. So you have, so let's go from the top. So you have the next chord is this. Sometimes I tend to add this on my pinky. Yes. And on your left hand you have A flat and D. On your right hand you have B flat major chord. Right? So you have, mind you, this is on the key of A flat. Right? And we are going to what? Our 5. Okay? So you have, yeah, so I do it. So I do 5 now, right? And your 5. Sometimes on the bass player I can play 7, so you have so or ready 1. Yeah, so you have you can see the 5 now. See, I play G, B flat, and E flat. On your left hand, on your right hand rather, I play F, B flat, and E flat. So now let's try one of this Moses Bliss song, Mercy. So you have it's all because of you. It's all because of your grace. Right? It's all because of you. It's all because, sorry. All because of your grace. can see. You can run an arpeggio. Yeah. So same thing. So this other song again. So I love Jesus. Sorry. Yes. So I love you, Jesus. You can see, yeah. So let's do it again. So instead of I love you, Jesus, going to 6 now, you just go to 2. I love you, Jesus. Yeah. So now let's think of another song again. You can see how it fits in. You can try this in different style. You don't need to necessarily do. You can. Why did you? So basically, that's everything for this episode of Crazy Gospel Piano Chords. What am I even saying? Crazy Gospel Passing Chords, rather. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you if you have any kind of chord movement you want me to do a passing chord on, you can drop it on the comment section, please. And also make sure you share this video, and see you in episode 3, Crazy Gospel Passing Chords. God bless you.